Well, here's another one of those boring fill-in videos from my Jeep WJ. And again, here's a few pictures of some items that I've been spending a lot of money on. But I'm running out of room to store equipment. Yes, this is another update from my Jeep, and it's Tuesday the 26th, I believe, and yes, this is another one of them boring fill-in videos so I can get something out. And what I've got to show today is this, there's my cart with my electric welder. And I've got my new plasma welder on there. Just got that one on the bottom. That's a plasma, not plasma welder, plasma cutter. Both are casters. And so my next project will be making repairs on my trailer. And I also hope to use this in areas on the Jeep. There's a few things underneath in the suspension I would like to maybe do some welding on, and maybe a new steel bumper that has to be completed by doing your own welding. I could probably get more of a bumper if I got one I had to complete myself. Anyway, out for now. And there's the trailer that I'll be working on soon, I hope. I've got it jacked up, some jack stands under it, and the left wheel off. I've already knocked some rust off, but I got a lot to go. I was just checking it out. Anyway, get down here real close. You can see how thick that rust is. It comes right off. I hope there's no problem with the axle. It seems to be, the hub seems to be rotating nice and smooth, but I don't know what that axle is going to look like when I get it cleaned up. I got to get my pressure washer around here. Pressure wash it as much as possible. If I need to get my hand grinder, grind a bunch of this stuff off, and then I'll rust treat it, paint it. I've got to put a new light kit in. I'm going to put new bearings and repack, grease the hubs on both sides. And those fenders, I've got to weld them together, and they got to be welded on. And let's see, I got this 4x4. I'm probably going to cut it in half and see if I can use it to get this thing jacked up more. I got to be careful because I got my dogs out here. They're always under the trailer. You can see how rusty these fenders are. And they are welded on. I didn't see any bolts anywhere. Anyway, that's what I'll it looked like, yeah. Anyway, yeah, they're welded on. But anyway, I got a lot to do. That's where the spare tire goes. Anyway, I just thought I'd update you on this. This is my next project. I've worked on this thing before a couple of years ago, and I had it in pretty good shape. And this is what I originally got to pull my Harley on. It hadn't been on there in a couple of years now. Let's check all this out. Anyway, the wiring's all messed up. I got a brand new light kit. I don't know what you're looking at.